From creating custom QR codes for a website to using ChatGPT for generating tables with a simple AI formula, this video will cover 5 awesome free Excel add-ins you probably didn't know about. Don't worry, they're super easy to install and use. Let's get into it. Before we start, make sure you have add-in in your main tab. If not, we will need to create a shortcut for it. Follow the guide through for now. And done. The first one we want to check out is called the activity timer. Search for it, click Add, agree to the terms, and continue. This add-in lets you record how much time you spend on activities. For example, you might add an activity named Client 1 and start the timer. After finishing tasks, you end the timer, start a new one for Client 2, and so on. You can always go back and continue recording time for any activity. At the end, paste the data to see a detailed breakdown, which is useful for consultants billing by the hour or students timing themselves on tests. To remove an add-in, right-click it and select Remove Add-in, or find it under My Add-ins in the More Add-ins section and remove it from there. The QR for Office add-in allows you to create custom QR codes. You can input URLs, email addresses, phone numbers, and more. Customize the size and style, then insert it into your sheet like an image. Scan the QR code to link to additional content, for example like an FM Lifestyle Excel course or other resources. The third add-in is ChatGPT for Excel. Install it and use it like a normal formula. For example, to get the planet size, type AI ask and input your question. It returns the answer directly in Excel. For more complex tasks, like generating a table of top 5 dangerous animals in various locations in Africa, use AI Table. The Mini Calendar and Date Picker add-in adds a small calendar icon for selecting dates and times. You can customize the calendar to start on a specific day or include week numbers. This tool is handy for managing schedules and events. Lastly, we have the People Graph add-in. Suppose you have a list of ice cream flavors and buyers represented in a visual representation. Install the add-in, and it will show sample data. To customize it, select your data and create the graph. You can change the theme, shapes, and colors, and the chart updates dynamically with your data. These 5 add-ins enhance Excel's functionality, making it a powerful tool for various tasks. For even more advanced features, check out Power Query. Learn how to use it in our Excel course linked here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.